Hey there, welcome back to TSPROF channel. Today we would like to present to you our new item that has been designed specifically for TSPROF K03 and Kadet sharpeners. And this is L-shaped clamp adapter set. Let's find out a little bit more about that. The whole idea of the adapters is that they allow you to increase the frame length up to 4 mm or 1.5 inches. So this means that you will be able to clamp longer, thinner and more flex blades. It is designed so that it doesn't touch the table surface when turning over the frame. Using these adapters, you will be able to place a double clamp right in the center of the frame and clamp shorter blades without having a single clamp. This set comes with two L-shaped adapters for clamps, 2 screws and 3 mm L-shaped hex key. These are whole mill adapters which are made of the same aviation aluminum as the sharpener. Adapters have the same shape as well as the frame, so they are securely attached to it, and they look harmoniously with the sharpener. Take a look at this oval-shaped hole. This allows you to clamp different kinds of clamps with different width very close to each other. It's very easy to assemble. I'm attaching an adapter to the clamp using a screw and tighten it with a hex key. That's it. These adapters are designed for all types of K03 and Kadet sharpeners. They do not change the angle range. However, if you're using them with Kadet, its angle range decreases by 4 degrees and it becomes 24 degrees. But you can lift up the hinge joint and the max angle will be 28.5 degrees. Using these adapters with Kadet not only expands the frame but also allows you to combine standard Kadet clamps and K03 clamps. And it will be very convenient clamping long fillet blades because now there are more fall clamps. L-shaped adapters will be definitely a great addition to a sharpening set. If you want to get them right now, you can find them in our partner's online store. Its link will be down below. But you also can wait a month until they are delivered in our warehouse in the United States and order them directly from our website. So guys, thank you for watching. Leave your likes below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Take care and stay sharp.